What would you recommend to heat my little greenhouse 8 by 18 feet I just built this July? My cucumbers are going great. I juice a lot of produce, so I have been able to juice almost 100 cucumbers. One large cucumber gives me 1 cup of juice, which is awesome. I already have recuperated a good part of my greenhouse cost since our organic cucumber is $2.99. Yeah, I bet. I live in northeastern Ontario, so winter lasts a long time here. I just became a new member. Thanks for all you do, Darcel. Thanks for that. Well, the best way to heat your greenhouse depends on how you heat your house. If you're in Ontario where electricity is really expensive, it would probably be best to heat it with gas. If you heat your house with wood fire, you could do it that way. What I'm looking at doing up at my new property is putting a wood boiler in, and then heating the house and greenhouse and shop with wood, because I have a limitless amount of deadfall up there that I could probably heat my property for the next 30 years just on deadfall. And so that's how I'm going to do it. But that's my context, and we're off grid. And so when you're off grid, to heat with electricity is not worth it. At least not from anything I've seen. So how to heat your greenhouse, I would say it's probably gas or wood fire. If you had to have, one thing I will tell you is if you have a wood fire stove in a greenhouse like that, it's a pain in the ass to go out there in the winter and put wood in to keep that running. So it's probably not worth it. Wood fire is worth it when you do a boiler, because then you have one central boiler, and then you have that, in a close proximity to your house. So you're just going out there and you can stack these things up and they can burn for hours. So it just depends on what you want to do. Yeah, it's probably gas. Most likely it's gas, natural gas or propane. If your home is hooked up to natural gas, then it's not going to be that complicated to run a gas line to that greenhouse. However, if you do that, then there might be some regulatory BS you have to go through. So that all depends.